everybody, V here, and I am doing this recorded video because I want to share with you. I was actually inspired last weekend when I was cleaning my vegetables. Believe it or not, I went to the local farmer's market where I love to buy vegetables from, and I always, I've done this for years and years, is wash and clean my vegetables and my fruits, and I always really thoroughly clean them because I'm really funny about that. I know some people just rinse their vegetables, and I'm going to show you today why I don't think it's a good idea to just rinse off your vegetables. So I'm going to share with you what it is that I do with my fruits and vegetables when I get them back from the farmer's market, and then you'll see why I do what I do. So I went out today and I bought all these things for one of the upcoming live shows, and I'm going to clean them with you so that you can see what it is that I'm doing and why I do it that way. So I've got some kiwis, which as you can see are probably pretty dirty anyway. They just come from the place and there's like dirt on the counter, so feel free to come in and look at all that dirt on the counter. It's pretty disgusting. And so whether they have skin or no skin, whether I'm peeling them or not peeling them, I clean everything. Because if there's some kind of pesticide or some kind of horrible chemical on your fruits or vegetables and you cut it with the knife, you're going to get from the outside onto the inside if you're not cleaning everything before you even cut them. So we're going to do, I went ahead and I put some warm water in the sink, and I will soak these vegetables for a good 30 minutes. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you stay with me that whole time. We're going to clip this up, which is why it's not a live video. But I'm going to put all of this food into the sink. I've got kiwi, strawberries, which are part of our dirty dozen that are pretty gross. And you don't want to do hot water. You want to do like a nice warm water. But I'm going to put everything in here. It's going to look like vegetable mash in the sink. Got us some beautiful dragon fruits. They're going in there too. Have some peppers for another recipe. And yes, I throw it all in there together. If I've got greens, if I've got fresh herbs, everything, and I mean everything that I buy from the store goes into the sink. Especially like cucumbers and apples. These guys have this terrible wax feeling, which I'm going to show you how to get rid of that, because rinsing them off or just soaking them isn't even going to take that horrible nastiness off of your vegetables. So as you can see, right now we just have a sink full of stuff. And I use a Castile soap. Fortunately for me, my very best friend in the whole world makes me my own Castile soap, so I know what's in it. I don't know what you're getting from the store, but I highly recommend that you check out a brand that you know by somebody who actually cares about what they're selling you. So I'll squeeze like several squirts into the water, and then as you can see the water's getting cloudy. That's the olive oil and the Castile soap working away on these fruits and vegetables already. So now these guys are going to sit here in this sink. You can feel it in the water. You can feel the clean in the water while you're doing this. I always put a little bit of extra in here because I want them extra clean. And then just mix them up. Now you're going to, I leave mine in here for probably at least 30 minutes. And I'll come back to them and mix them up, you know, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, just come mix them up so that they're moving around. I can already feel the difference in these fruits and vegetables already, just as with it being in there for right now. So I'm gonna show you real quick. This was the water that we put in there. So I'm gonna set water on the side for right now so you can see that's just regular old tap water, which of course isn't the best thing for you anyway, but we're going to show you the difference in that water and this water once these vegetables have been soaking for about 30 minutes. So I'm not going to make you wait around. We're going to wait. We're going to go ahead and go away for a little bit, and then I'll be back and we'll show you what these vegetables look like and how we're going to get that wax off those apples. Hey everybody, we are back and our vegetables have been soaking, our fruit and vegetables have been soaking here for a little while, for about 30 minutes. And I want to share with you what has happened, what has transpired, and I want to show you how to clean the vegetables, like there's some vegetables that get this waxy, nasty buildup that I don't care. You can put a whole bottle of Castile in that water and it's not gonna take it off without some motion. So I'm gonna show you something that's gonna really blow your mind. So take a look, we've got all these vegetables all clean. I didn't want you to have to watch the whole thing, obviously. So everything's been cleaned. The kiwis are cleaned. The apples are cleaned. Everything is clean. You can see it's sparkly, shiny. The strawberries look beautiful. Everything's good. But what I want to show you here with our apple is you can't hear anything, right? There's this waxy buildup that still feels icky on the apple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my beautiful Castile soap and I'm going to put it right on here because it is olive oil. We're going to get a light, like a little bit of warm water going there, and you're going to go all around this apple with the Castile. And make sure you get it everywhere. What this is doing is you can literally feel it like breaking down that nasty wax that they put on our vegetables and our fruits. I do this with my cucumbers or anything that still has that wax on it once I've cleaned them, because I'm really funny about not wanting to put all these chemicals and waxes and things into my body, because it takes a while to get healthy once you get sick. So I want you to hear this. You did not hear that a minute ago or a few seconds ago. That, my friends, is a clean apple. And I'm gonna do the same thing for you with a pepper. Like even my peppers right now, these little peppers, they have like they're still a film. And sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. It depends on where you get your fruits from, vegetables, and what's going on. But literally, like, you can't hear anything. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing. I'm gonna wash this, and I'm doing it right in front of you. This video is not altered in any way, shape, or form, but this is what I do with my vegetables. And I know that you think it's a big deal. It's really not. You could take a whole handful of those at one time and just do that. But when I clean this, like literally, you are now hearing a clean vegetable. Now, did you prefer to eat a vegetable that has a no sound or one that has a squeaky clean sound? Me personally, I'm going to take the squeaky clean one. So I just wanted to share with you, this is what I do with my vegetables and my fruits because I care about what I put in my body. I literally was sick for a long time. Any of you that know me know that. And a lot of it comes from the stuff that's being done to our food. So no matter how healthy you think you're eating, take the extra step, if you will, and just clean them. Really clean your stuff. And me personally, I use the Castile. I love the Castile. My girlfriend actually makes me Castile, so I know where it's coming from. I know that it's good quality. I know she's not trying to kill me because I don't have anything to leave for her. So, anyway, if you want to know more about the soap, just let me know. I'll be happy to share her information. I love her stuff. Actually, I'll share it with you right now. Your Body Bliss is my girlfriend Dawn Mayer. She does an amazing job, and as you saw, I just used that product. I clean these vegetables. So you can buy whatever Castile soap you want. I'm not pushing any products here today. I'm just letting you know what I do, and if you need a source or a place to get it, she's amazing. And that's pretty much it for me. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to really clean your vegetables, and I'll see you at upcoming shows. Thanks so much.